Hello friends, how to solve this equation? 2 to the power of x is equal to 5 to the power of x plus 2. By using the power rule, a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m times a to the power of n. Then 5 to the power of x plus 2 is 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of 2. The next step is to divide everything by 5 to the power of x. So it is 2 to the power of x over 5 to the power of x is equal to 5 to the power of 2. By using the rule a to the power of m over b to the power of m is equal to a over b all to the power of m, then we have 2 over 5 all to the power of x is equal to 5 squared. If we log both sides, log 2 over 5 all to the power of x is equal to log 5 squared. Here we apply the logarithm rule. So we move x here is equal to this power move here, so 2 times log 5. Next step is to divide both sides by log 2 over 5. Then we will have x on the left side and 2 log 5 divided by log 2 over 5 on the right side. Next, by the rule log a over b is equal to log a minus log b, we will have log 2 over 5 equal to log 2 minus log 5. By using the calculator, log 5 is equal to 0.699 and log 2 is equal to 0.301. The submission of these two values here will give us log 5, so that is 0.699 over log 2, which is equal to 0.301 minus log 5, again 0.699. Then x is equal to 1.398 over minus 0.398. So this is equal to this divided by this, which is minus 3.5126. So x is equal to minus 3.5126. And this is the final answer. Thank you for watching. If you didn't understand some parts, just write in the comments below. I'll try to answer.